Di malam yang kelam kami berangkat menuju tempat yang tidak berjejak. Dengan hati berdebar, rasa takut melanda. Cerita seram kini bermula. Cerita seram misi ke alam misteri, menggali kisah yang belum terungkap. Rasa cemas tapi penuh misteri, dalam gelap rahasia tersingkap.
Situation will be more worse.
Dia ada lagi satu masalah kan.
Itu lagi satu masalah.
Lagi sini kalau korang tak tahu sini actually ada kediaman lah orang-orang, rumah-rumah orang kat sini. Jadi pun kita pun tak nak pandai-pandai masuk menceroboh area orang. Tapi Kish, kau pernah tanya tak, macam kita baru sampai kat sini tapi ada orang rumah-rumah dia dekat sini. Macam mana tu malam-malam?
Tak tahu dia orang letak sini, lepas tu cabut pagi dah ambil balik. Okey, saya nak tanya, ada tak siapa dekat sini? Kalaulah ada, tolong tunjuk. Tolong detectkan kita punya electronic device ni. Is there anyone here? If yes, please show yourself or detect our device here. Is anyone here?
Tapi tadi dekat motor quite active.
Yes. Okay, got blink.
Ada
Is there anyone here?
Saya minta maaf.
Oh, tengok. Aku tanya angin, tengok. Dekat sini je tau angin tu. Tengok, kau tunjuk je situ. Mana ada daun-daun semua ni?
Wow.
Kau tengok sini.
Wow.
Kau tengok sini. Sini, tunjuk sini. Saya minta maaf. I'm really sorry. I'm not here to disturb you all. I'm really sorry.
Okay, kam?
Ni, Dan.
Ya.
Ada Dan.
Apa?
Ada. Blinking.
Ada.
Ada orang Tok jap.
Tak apa,
Tengok,
continue je lah.
Blink. Apa tu?
Ada
ni. Tak sampai merah lah. Cuma macam something is cross, something like that.
Dah. Jom kita ke belakang sekejap. Okay, kita
ni. Kau tunjuk device ni. Aku dah 2-3 kali dah blinking. Is anyone here? I'm here not for disturb anyone. I'm just here for the entertainment only, and we are doing the video.
Diorang tinggal sini aku rasa. Ada ke?
Oh, tadi dia punya angin
lain macam.
lain, bro. Ni.
Ni. Once kau cross dekat sini yang ada angin.
Sorry, kita hanya sini untuk buat video saja.
Kami minta maaf.
Is anyone here? Tengok. Tunjuk sini. Is anyone here?
If yes, please make the K2 meter go up to yellow or red.
Yes. Is that me?
Yep.
Is that me?
Yep.
Is that me?
Yep. It's responding. Do you want us to go backwards? If yes, make it go to yellow or red.
Yes.
Okay. Then
Okay, we are sorry.
We are very sorry.
I don't want to force anyone over here. Okay. Are you very near to us? You can just show us the K2 meter go yellow or green. Okay. So you are near us, right? If yes, go to at least green or yellow. Is there anyone here? Can go to green or yellow. Anyone here? Yes. Ni.
ada
Ada. Ni. Ada. Ni. Ada. Ni.
Dia ada ni.
Are you so long stay here? If yes, go to green or yellow.
If possible, can you make the EMF sensor beep? So, okay, K2 meter did react, but actually at your motorbike just now, there is a K2. There is the thing lah.
And
So
then we
maybe-
go back there.
Thank you. We are so
Thank
sorry.
you.
Minta maaf.
Thank you so much. Minta maaf. You guys. Tengok. Aku dah sampai sini. Aku ingat dekat sini ya, bro. You know, if you go to exact to the gate area, then it's blink. If you go to the side, it's not blinking. Ni. Kalau lah aku boleh pergi dekat gate tu, pasti aku pergi. Okay, I just asking
Tapi
again.
kau tahu dalam sana ada infrared tau.
Okay, I just asking only, is anyone here? If yes, you can go to red or green.
Or
K2
make
meter.
the K2 meter.
Yes. Ni, kau tunjuk.
Can
So-
you make the
so that means-
EMF sensor beep?
Yes. So can I confirm again, is anyone here? You can go the K2 meter to yellow or green also enough. So you are, ni, nampak?
Nampak?
Ni.
Okay, dia respond quite intelligent lah.
Okay.
Are you a prisoner of war here before? If yes,
Ni.
are you a prisoner of war here? If
Or
yes,
are you a patient?
Yeah. If you are a prisoner of war or patient, please make the K2 meter go up to.
Go up, bro. Go up, bro.
Haven't even finished the question, tapi dia seem to like kind of understand
Dia
what we're
cepat,
gonna ask.
Before you finish the sentence.
Whoa,
okay.
It did make that.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you so much. We
Okay.
appreciate your answer. We appreciate for your answer. Thank you so much. And
So were you here when it was on 1997? If yes, make the K2 meter go up to red or make the EMF sensor beep. Were you here during the 90 to 97? Okay. Were you here
tadi dia blink.
80s
EMF.
to 89? Were you here 70s